You just may have some dings after this, buddy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I hear you.
Look how fast it went linear. It was a long supercell. And then this turned into, now it's turning into QLCS line. We got to be able to drive through this, drop back south.
Watch out that hole or
Sounds
whatever.
a little more reasonable there. I'll drive that.
You may want to back up a little and then go. I think you ran into like a Colbert.
That's what I think too. That's alright, it's a Chevy.
Yeah.
Handle it.
If it was a Dodge, that Colbert would have
What's
just...
up? We're in the middle of this tornado warning line up here in St. Louis. We tried to get on it while I was still a supercell.
Wow.
It's wrapped up into QLCS. Sirens going off. We got pictures of wall clouds.
Hell.
Possible funnel. At least 2 wall clouds in that picture. We're going to try to punch through all this safely and come back down towards our neck of the woods. We got all kinds of
Trout water. Oh, more, a whole bunch of water.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, we'll try to pick back up on 70 and get back down to it.
Whole bunch of water. Wow, this place is flooding out.
Yeah, they're moving very, very fast.
You may want to drive out of the intersection.
Yeah, yeah, they are. But everything right now is tornado warning. It looks like the danger is going to be spin-ups. I don't think we're going to see anything strong.
Yeah, they're wanting to turn.
QLCS can give you EF2, so I'm gonna try to get us home as fast as I can. Okay, love you. Get ready to take cover around you.
3 miles, then turn left on North Morris Avenue.
Love you. Bye.
I'm assuming that was Cher?
Yeah.
Yeah.
She called a while ago.
Man, look at the water ponding up.
Turn left on North Morris Avenue.
I'm gonna have to issue a flash flood warning for here.
You guys get pictures of that while it was still super cellular? Rainford Basin and all that?
Yeah, I think so.
It's on the interstate?
Yeah, I got a whole bunch of video. You're getting red light.
Yep.
Turn left on North Morris
Yeah.
Avenue.
Well, what's this person doing? Come on, dude.
Out of my way, buddy.
Well, this is like Memphis.
I know it.
5.2 miles on North Morris Avenue.
Oh,
We're good.
alright. It just looked like holes.
Yep.
It's so good when I'm thinking in my mind.
Oh, yeah.
They got grounded back in that one spot.
Yeah. Are we going? Oh.
My belt's squeaking.
Yeah. Well. More water.
I've gone like
Whole bunch of water.
a lot worse than this before.
Oh, yeah?
Oh yeah.
What's this guy doing? Spotlight on the water tower. Oh,
Hey,
careful.
any way you can post a message, Kate, to my Facebook by tagging me?
I don't think we could do that on our phones. Oh, okay.
Everyone please needs to be aware of the serious situation heading for Southern Illinois